Hello guys, so today I will discuss about how we can research keywords using the Google Keyword Planner or Google Ads. So let me log in Google Ads uh, using my Gmail, and then I should use password of my Gmail account. Then it's being logged in. Okay, my Google Ads account is logged in. Then I will see tools and keyword planner under the tools. Then there are two options: discover new keywords and get search volume and forecast. This tool will basically show just search volume or other metric for a single keyword like this. And here I can change the location, language, like I can remove Bangladesh and add Italy, then save. Then Google will show filtered result regarding the Italy country. Anyway, I'm going to discover new keywords. So this tool will do both. Will show search volume for exact keyword and for new keywords too. So I need to get or research 5 keywords regarding this niche or topics. So what is Conto Termico program? Conto Termico program is an Italian government incentive program that promotes energy efficiency and the use of renewable energy sources. So first of all, I can research one keyword for energy efficiency improvement. Italy, then get results. Yeah, that means I can search on Google to have more variant keywords. Energy efficiency incentive improvement Italy. Italy energy efficiency program programs. Yeah, this keyword looks well. 10 to 100 search. So let me keep this keyword here. 10 to 100. The competition is low. If there is no low or medium word, mm, we can consider this keyword as low, and the difficulty should be 0. So let me use this tool to check the difficulty, keyword difficulty. Italy, then perform check. Yeah, keyword difficulty is 0. Anyway, let's move and find another keyword. How to access public incentive for these upgrades. So access or public incentives for mm, yeah, I have just written in which sections Italy gives public incentives through Conto Termico program. So ChatGPT has given me this result. Windows. Let me check if I get any sources for this keyword. Oh, just train doors. Just a minute. Door. Get results. Just train. Mm, incentive for door. Incentive for windows. Yeah, there is no source. So incentive for doors or door. Just 10. So let's use incentive for solar thermal panel. Solar incentive. Yeah, this keyword looks well. 10 to 100. Competition is low and the difficulty is 0. Okay, then window incentives. Door incentives. Yeah, there is no anyway. Mm, heating system. So renewable heat incentive. Yeah, this keyword looks very well. Now let's see if this keyword has sources. Yeah, 10 to 100. The competition should be low. Anyway, now heat pumps. Heat pump incentives. This keyword looks very well. Let's find. Yeah, 10 to 100. So I'm done with my research. The keywords have just low sources like 10 to 100 but difficulty is zero and competition is low. So as there are no key having more sources, we can just target these keywords because we are not getting too many keywords having more sources. So we can just target these keywords and we can rank these keywords in Google easily. So guys, thank you. Please let me know if you have any question.